First, I'll let you go first next time. So a bunch of strengths here as a writer, like all children have. So she's certainly on topic, right? She says it'll be a book about things I can do with my friends, and she's like, that's what's going to go on every page. She can also plan ahead in her book. I'm always looking to see how much are they thinking ahead, right? She certainly seems like she has this planned out, and it didn't appear to necessarily be one that she's just figuring out because I've asked that. It seems like she's maybe thought about some of those. These are a little mix, maybe, of how much is like, oh, I think this is going to be this page, as opposed to how much she's already planned that. It seems that she's maybe in between there. Um, she can certainly compose sentences. She can write sentences, and her writing's fairly easy to read. She has lots of letter sound knowledge here, right, that she's using, so we can read her sentences pretty easily. She has pretty representational illustrations. Everyone doesn't look the same in her illustrations, which is a common thing we could be thinking about. Um, what else were you thinking about in terms of strengths? What else did you talk about?
She seems to be able to stay on topic.
Yeah.
Like thinking farther ahead, then she'll be able to stay on topic.
Yeah. Yeah, the only way you can tell she's on top is by that thinking ahead and her saying, yeah, this is going to. Yep, absolutely. No, she seems to both have a topic and be on topic, and there's on topic in this book. All right. Tell someone next to you then, what might you teach right now? You know all the same things I know right now, right? We'd have to teach something, right? What are you going? What are some possibilities that you might teach? You could go right back to each of those areas we just talked about and think about what are next steps. What are her next steps in terms of getting words on the page? What are her next steps in terms of illustration? What are some next steps in terms of staying on topic or any of those things? Okay. Tell someone next to you really quick, what might you teach right now? Now that we know she can do, we can figure out where we might go. What might you teach? Okay.